Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Your next promotion is not just a step up in your career, it's a step closer to your dreams, your respect, and your financial growth. The bank promotion exams 2025 to 2026 are your golden opportunity, and I am here to make sure you grab it with both hands. In this journey, we will learn smart strategies, master important topics, and tackle questions just like the exam demands. Remember, success does not come to those who wait, it comes to those who prepare. So let's start today. Prepare smartly and make your promotion in 2025 to 2026 a reality. Welcome to part 37 of my Path to the Corner Office 2025 to 2026 series, where we break down real bank promotion exam questions and give you clear, practical sample answers to help you climb the career ladder faster. Today's subject is Public Provident Fund Scheme. The Public Provident Fund scheme was first introduced under which Act? Option A Income Tax Act 1961, Option B Public Provident Fund Act 1968, Option C Public Provident Fund Act 1956, Option D Banking Regulation Act 1949. The answer is option B Public Provident Fund Act 1968. The minimum deposit required to open a PPF account is option A rupees 100, option B rupees 500, option C rupees 1000, option D rupees 5000. The answer is option B rupees 500. What is the maximum deposit in a deposit limit in a PPF account in a financial year? Option A rupees 1 lakh, option B rupees 1 lakh 20,000, option C rupees 1 lakh 50,000, option D rupees 2 lakhs. The answer is option C rupees 1 lakh 50,000. The maximum number of PPF accounts an individual can open in his or her name is option A 2, option B 1, option C 3, option D no restriction. The answer is option B 1. Who among the following is not eligible to open a PPF account? Option A resident individual, option B minor through guardian, option C non resident Indian NRI, option D person of unsound mind through guardian. The answer is option C non resident Indian NRI. The lock-in period of a PPF account is option A 10 years, option B 12 years, option C 15 years, option D 20 years. The answer is option C 15 years. The minimum deposit in a financial year to keep the account active is option A rupees 100, option B rupees 200, option C rupees 500, option D rupees 1000. The answer is option C rupees 500. If the account holder fails to deposit the minimum amount in any year, the account becomes option A dormant, option B closed, option C discontinued, option D frozen permanently. The answer is option C discontinued. Which document is mandatory for PPF account operation from April 2023? Option A driving license, option B Aadhaar, option C voter ID, option D passport. The answer is option B Aadhaar. PAN must be submitted if the PPF balance exceeds option A rupees 25,000, option B rupees 50,000, option C rupees 75,000, option D rupees 1 lakh. The answer is option B rupees 50,000. Interest in PPF is calculated on option A lowest balance between 1st and 30th of the month, option B lowest balance between 5th and the end of month, option C average monthly balance, option D yearly average. The answer is option B lowest balance between 5th and end of month. When is PPF interest credited to the account? Option A quarterly, option B half yearly, option C annually, option D monthly. The answer is option C annually. After how many years can partial withdrawals be made from a PPF account? Option A 3 years, option B 5 years, option C 7 years, option D 10 years. The answer is option B 5 years. The maximum percentage of balance allowed for withdrawal after 5 years is option A 25%, option B 33%, option C 50%, option D 60%. The answer is option C 50%. Loan facility against PPF balance is available after option A 1 year, option B 2 years, option C 3 years, option D 5 years. The answer is option A 1 year. The maximum loan available against PPF balance is option A 30% of balance, option B 50% of balance, option C 20% of balance, option D 25% of balance. The answer is option D 25% of balance. Normal loan repayment period in PPF is option A 12 months, option B 24 months, option C 36 months, option D 48 months. The answer is option C 36 months. Premature closure of PPF is allowed after option A 3 years, option B 5 years, option C 7 years, option D 10 years. The answer is option B 5 years. Which of the following is not a valid reason for premature closure of PPF? Option A higher education, option B marriage expenses, option C life threatening disease, option D change in residency status. The answer is option B marriage expenses. The maximum number of nominees allowed in a PPF account is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The answer is option D 4. Which section of the Income Tax Act provides deduction for PPF deposits? Option A section 80D, option B section 80C, option C section 1014, option D section 24B. The answer is option B section 80C. Which of the following is true regarding PPF taxation? Option A deposits are taxable, option B interest is taxable, option C withdrawals are taxable, option D deposits, interest and withdrawals are exempt. The answer is option D deposits, interest and withdrawals are exempt. In case of death of account holder, can nominee continue the PPF account? Option A yes, option B no, option C only spouse can continue, option D only if nominee is a minor. The answer is option B no. Balance in PPF account is protected from option A income tax, option B wealth tax, option C court attachment for debts, option D bank loans. The answer is option C court attachment for debts. The next subject is Senior Citizen Savings Scheme. SCSS is primarily designed for which category of people? Option A students, option B senior citizens and retired persons, option C business owners, option D NRIs. The answer is option B senior citizens and retired persons. What is the minimum age to open an SCSS account in general cases? Option A 55 years, option B 58 years, option C 60 years, option D 62 years. The answer is option C 60 years. Retired individuals aged 55 to 60 can open SCSS account If they apply within how many months of retirement benefits receipt? Option A 1 month, option B 3 months, option C 6 months, option D 12 months. The answer is option B 3 months. Defense service personnel, excluding civilian defense employees, can open SCSS at the age of option A 45 years, option B 50 years, option C 55 years, option D 60 years. The answer is option B 50 years. The spouse of a government employee who dies in harness can open SCSS at what minimum age? Option A 45 years, option B 50 years, option C 55 years, option D 60 years. The answer is option B 50 years. A person retired on superannuation at 56 can open SCSS within how many months of receiving retirement benefits? Option A 6 months, option B 12 months, option C 3 months, option D 1 month. The answer is option C 3 months. What is the maximum deposit limit under SCSS as per 31st March 2023 notification? Option A rupees 15 lakhs, option B rupees 20 lakhs, option C rupees 25 lakhs, option D rupees 30 lakhs. The answer is option D rupees 30 lakhs. Minimum deposit required to open an SCSS account is option A rupees 500, option B rupees 1000, option C rupees 10,000, option D rupees 1 lakh. The answer is option B rupees 1000. Deposit in SCSS must be in multiples of option A rupees 500, option B rupees 1000, option C rupees 10,000, option D rupees 50,000. The answer is option B rupees 1000. If a deposit exceeds the maximum ceiling, what happens? Option A, it earns no interest. Option B, it is confiscated. Option C, it is refunded. Option D, it is adjusted into a FD account. The answer is option C, it is refunded. Which section of the Income Tax Act allows SCSS investment for tax benefits? Option A, 80D. Option C, 80TTA. Option C, 80C. Option D, 1010D. The answer is option C, 80C. SCSS account matures after how many years from the date of opening? Option A 3 years, option B 5 years, option C 7 years, option D 10 years. The answer is option B 5 years. After maturity, SCSS account can be extended in block periods of option A 2 years, option B 3 years, option C 4 years, option D 5 years. The answer is option B 3 years. In case of joint account, whose age is considered for eligibility? Option A, younger spouse. Option B, first applicant. Option C, both applicants. Option D, anyone. The answer is option B, first applicant. Interest under SCSS is payable on option A, monthly basis. Option B, half yearly. Option C, quarterly. Option D, annually. The answer is option C, quarterly. Nomination under SCSS is option A, optional. Option B, mandatory. Option C, not applicable. Option D, mandatory only for single account. The answer is option B, mandatory. Maximum number of nominees allowed in SCSS account is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The answer is option D 4. If SCSS account is closed before 1 year of opening, what happens? Option A full deposit refunded with interest, option B full deposit refunded without interest, option C penalty of 1% applied, option D no refund allowed. The answer is option B, full deposit refunded without interest. If account is closed after 1 year but before 2 years, penalty deducted is option A 0.5%, option B 1%, option C 1.5%, option D 2%. The answer is option C 1.5%. If account is closed after 2 years but before 5 years, penalty is option A 0.5%, option B 1%, option C 1.5%, option D 2%. The answer is option B 1%. Is the interest earned under SCSS taxable? Option A no, option B yes, option C tax free up to rupees 1.5 lakhs, option D exempt under ATC. The answer is option B yes. Both spouses can open single and joint SCSS accounts with maximum deposit of option A rupees 15 lakh each, option B rupees 30 lakh each, option C rupees 20 lakh each, option D rupees 10 lakh each. The answer is option B rupees 30 lakh each. KYC documents required for SCSS include option A Aadhaar only, option B Aadhaar plus PAN, option C driving license only, option D bank passbook only. The answer is option B Aadhaar plus PAN. The SCSS scheme was initially launched in which year? Option A 2002, option B 2004, option C 2010, option D 2019. The answer is option B 2004. Interest rates were under SCSS as of September 2025 were fixed at option A 7.4%, option B 7.6%, option C 8.0%, option D 8.2%. The answer is option D 8.2%. The next subject is Sukanya Samriddhi account scheme. Sukanya Samriddhi account scheme was launched under which campaign? Option A Make in India, option B Digital India, option C Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, option D Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The answer is option C Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. In which year was the Sukanya Samriddhi account scheme first notified? Option A 2012, option B 2014, option C 2016, option D 2019. The answer is option B 2014. The Sukanya Samriddhi account can be opened in the name of a girl child up to what age? Option A 8 years, option B 9 years, option C 10 years, option D 12 years. The answer is option C 10 years. Who can open a Sukanya Samriddhi account? Option A girl child herself, option B guardian of the girl child, option C any relative, option D school authority. The answer is option B guardian of the girl child. What is the minimum deposit required to open an SSA account? Option A rupees 100, option B rupees 250, option C rupees 500, option D rupees 1000. The answer is option B rupees 250. What is the maximum deposit allowed in a financial year under SSA? Option A rupees 1 lakh, option B rupees 1 lakh 25,000, option C rupees 1 lakh 50,000, option D rupees 2 lakhs. The answer is option C rupees 1 lakh 50,000. Deposits in SSA can be made for how many years from the date of opening? Option A 10 years, option B 12 years, option C 15 years, option D 21 years. The answer is option C 15 years. What is the total maturity period of SSA? Option A 15 years, option B 18 years, option C 20 years, option D 21 years. The answer is option D 21 years. After maturity, if not withdrawn, SSA earns interest at which rate? Option A, FD rate. Option B, POSP rate. Option C, no interest. Option D, same SSA rate. The answer is option B, POSB rate. Who operates the account till the girl child attains 18 years? Option A, girl child herself. Option B, guardian. Option B, bank manager. Option C, legal nominee. The answer is option B, guardian. After attaining 18 years, who operates the account? Option A, guardian continues. Option B, girl child herself. Option C, jointly operated. Option D, government nominee. The answer is option B, girl child herself. What is the penalty for default in minimum annual deposit? Option A, rupees 10. Option B, rupees 25. Option C, rupees 50. Option D, rupees 100. The answer is option C, rupees 50. How many accounts can be opened in one family under SSA? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D unlimited. The answer is option B 2. Exception for more than two accounts in a family is allowed in case of option A adoption, option B multiple births, twins or triplets, option C divorce, option D transfer. The answer is option B multiple births, twins or triplets. What is the maximum withdrawal allowed for education purposes? Option A 25%, option B 30%, option C 40%, option D 50%. The answer is option D 50%. For educational withdrawal, the girl must have option A completed graduation, option D passed 10th standard and attained 18 years, option C passed 10th standard, option D married. The answer is option B passed 10th standard and attained 18 years. Nomination under SSA is option A optional, option B mandatory, option C not allowed, option D allowed only after 5 years. The answer is option B mandatory. Premature closure of SSA is allowed in which of the following? Option A, death of account holder. Option B, marriage before 15 years. Option C, guardian request anytime. Option D, none of the above. The answer is option A, death of account holder. Premature closure for compassionate grounds is allowed only after option A, 3 years. Option B, 5 years. Option C, 7 years. Option D, 10 years. The answer is option B, 5 years. Closure before maturity is also allowed for option A intended marriage of account holder, option B higher studies abroad, option C purchase of property, option D business purposes. The answer is option A intended marriage of account holder. Intended marriage closure can be requested how many months before or after marriage? Option A 6 months before to 1 year after, option B 1 month before to 3 months after, option C 3 months before to 1 year after, option D anytime. The answer is option B 1 month before to 3 months after. Deposits in SSA qualify for tax benefits under option A section 80D, option B section 80C, option C section 24B, option D section 10D. The answer is option B section 80C. Interest earned in SSA is exempt under option A section 80G, option B section 80TTA, option C section 1011A, option D section 24. The answer is option C section 1011A. If guardian or girl child becomes NRI during the account period, the account option A must be closed immediately. Option B can continue till maturity on non-reputation basis. Option C earns no interest. Option D becomes invalid. The answer is option B, can continue till maturity on non-repatriation basis. Thank you very much for your patience. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.